What's up guys, it's Ed back again from TechSource and welcome to the gaming PC build for the month of December. Meet Vaporeon, the $450 budget gaming PC, and like all my budget builds, there will be a how-to build guide for anyone that wants to buy the parts and build one for themselves. If you're looking for the best gaming PC for the holidays that costs around $450, then this is it. You can find all the parts used in this build linked down below. We have an AMD Athlon X4 860K quad-core processor, which I ended up overclocking to 4.2 GHz using the stock cooler. For the motherboard, I choose the Gigabyte F2A 88XM and also picked up 8 GB of G-Skill Sniper RAM at 1866 MHz. We also have a Sapphire R9 270X GPU and 1 TB of hard drive space from Seagate. Powering all of these components is the 500 watt power supply from EVGA, and everything is packed inside the Fractal Core 1000 case. For the Fire Strike benchmark, it scored a 5038, and for rendering speeds, it managed to render a raw 4K video file using these settings in just 10 minutes and 41 seconds. You can find the raw video I used for the rendering test along with the additional benchmarks, CPU and GPU temps all in my Google Drive, and I'll leave a link down below for you guys. Also, for those wondering, this is how quiet it sounds when it's on idle. And this is how loud it is while gaming. Now then, let's take a look at some gaming benchmarks, shall we? So there you have it, the ultimate budget gaming PC for the month of December. As always, leaving a like on the video goes a long way to show your support for the series, and I can continue doing these every single month. Also, make sure to stick around for the how to build guide coming out in a few weeks, and also follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you guys want some sneak peeks on my next ultimate gaming PC, which I've already started gathering the parts for. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see you in the next video.